Hello, everybody. Never thought I would see myself starting a vlog from this angle, but I'm sitting on the floor. I am painting the guest bedroom. I think I got some footage yesterday. I am now working currently on my second wall. I am hot. I'm covered in paint. And I don't know what I look like, but I know my cheeks are probably ruby red because I'm sweating to death. But I am getting all of the cutting in on this wall, and then I'm going to go get something cold to drink, and then I'm going to come back. But let me flip you around so you can see the wall I'm working on. This is the wall that I'm currently working on. I patched a couple holes right there. Probably not perfect, but I did patch them. And I already painted this wall. And I'm telling you, it is not perfect. It's not ever going to be perfect, but it looks so clean and so fresh in here. And that's what I'm gunning for. So this is how I'm spending my Saturday evening. I spent my Friday evening in here. Now I'm spending my Saturday evening. My goal is this wall and then the one next to it over there. But I don't know if I'll get to it. So I am straddling a ladder, a paint pan, and a brush, and a ladder. Yeah, it said ladder. A vanity behind me here. Let me... Hello. I feel like this might be the lost vlog for the weekend. I am going to release what I do film, and I do apologize for the shortness of it, and I'll try not to be too rambly because I can get to talking. Okay, so I got up early this morning, and last night I ran out of light, like outside light when I was painting. And it's so hard to see, especially when things are trying to dry, what it looks like. And so I waited till this morning and I opened up all the blinds in there, and it looked really good. It looked pretty good. It's kind of aggravating a little bit because the imperfections in the walls is kind of really standing out to me now that it's a white paint. And I don't know, I started getting a little frustrated today. I just got done eating lunch. Ronnie's over at his dad's for a little bit, and I finished the third wall today. I took the wallpaper down, finished the third wall, and now I have the fourth wall, and that's going to be the biggest pain in the rear because that is the one that the bed is on, and that means I'm going to have to muster up enough energy to disassemble the bed, basically, enough that I can move it away from the wall to finish the room. So after knocking down the wallpaper, I gathered up the big pieces on the third wall and got it in a garbage bag, and I need to run the sweeper on that side of the room really, really good. So I have been like working and cleaning. That way it's not like I get done and then I have to kill myself to get it all cleaned back up. I think once I get some things on the walls and, we put everything back, I think I'll be very happy. Good morning, guys. I'm trying to be very quiet. My husband is still asleep. It is early. I got up, I already had a cup of coffee this morning, and I decided to come downstairs and, well, I got dressed upstairs, but put my makeup on and do my hair this morning here on the couch so I wouldn't wake him up. I have been a horrible YouTuber lately. And I apologize for that, but what started out this weekend, I was going to video me painting the bedroom. And about 7 o'clock last night in the evening, I got to the last wall. And I just could not go anymore. And I realized really, really quickly that it's going to take me extra couple days to get that room done. It was a lot of work. For one thing, when you don't do work like that all the time, it's a lot of up and down off a ladder. And I decided to buy this pretty expensive, substantial roller and pole. And it weighed 1,000,000 pounds. I'm exaggerating, but it felt like it was 1,000,000 pounds. And time I got that paint on the wall, my arms were so tired last night. And when you're tired, nothing looks right, nothing goes right. And so I was just like, I gotta throw in the towel. I gotta throw in the towel. So, what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to try to put my footage that I have of what I've done so far all together with this as an ending for today's video. Today, I am treating myself to a day out. And that will be in tomorrow's video for you guys. I'm going to take you guys along with me to go shopping. I don't think there's going to be a lot of purchasing or buying, but there's going to be a lot of browsing and looking, and I just need to get away from this house. I love my husband to death, and there's nothing, against him or anything. I just need to get out by myself a little bit, although I've come up with 500,000 reasons to call and cancel my trip. But I'm not going to do it. I'm going to go. It's only for a couple hours. I might get a coffee and sit and just watch people. But I need to get out. And if you guys, I'm sure you guys, if you've ever been in this situation, you guys know. So, I am going to let you guys go here. Thank you so much for watching this video. You will see the entire room transformation, at least the cleaned up, nice version of the bedroom soon. I'm sorry that I feel like I'm giving you like incomplete video, but I just couldn't go anymore. And I was getting frustrated, and so frustrated. And I have to laugh at myself. Ronnie warned me. He said, if you decide that you're going to work upstairs, it's a whole new avenue. He was not kidding. But thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content that I did share with you guys. I don't know if I'll get back on the painting today or tomorrow, but I really don't have that much more to do. I just ran out of steam yesterday, and tonight is Ronnie's gospel broadcast, so trying to fit in dinner and everything that I'm doing today into one is going to be fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys.